Now we are going to see 8-channel pouch cell holder connections from Urgalis. So as I said, like this is your ref 2 working. So this is as your working electrode, and this is auxiliary and reference. This is going to be your minus counter. This is the back portion. So here we have the positive. It's connected working and ref 2 and auxiliary and reference. So we made the connection. This is the front panel. So this is channel number 1. So identification is already given 1 to 8. Okay. So we don't have pouch cell, so I have connected with a supercapacitor. So just connect it to it. Okay. And make sure that there won't be any short to it. Okay. Now we are going to see the OCP of the cell. It's the OCP, which is 1.5 volt, and we can do one CV test for this.